Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we are given line t shown in the xy plane, and we're asked to find the slope of this line. So the easiest way to find the slope is to take 2 points from the line. Luckily, they've given us 3. We can pick any 2 out of these 3. This one looks like it's going to have the most complicated numbers, the hardest to deal with. So let's pick these 2. So we have 9 3/5 and 5/2, -2. And so the slope is the change in y over these 2 points divided by the change in x. So what is the change in y for these 2 points? Well, it's -2 minus 3/5, or -2 minus 3/5. Right, what is the difference between 1 and 2? Well, it's 2 minus 1 is 1. What's the difference between 1 and 3? 3 minus 1, the difference is 2. Same thing here. -2 minus 3/5 is going to give us the difference between these two y values. And so we did -2 minus this one, so we have -5/2 minus 9 for x. This is going to give us the change in x. We have to do it the same direction both times, the subtraction that is. So we have -2 minus 3/5 is 0.6, and then 5/2 is 2.5 minus 9. So -2 minus 0.6 is -2.6. 2.5 minus 9 is -6.5. Plug this into your calculator and you'll get your slope is 0.4. This is what it's asking for. What's the slope of line t? So 0.4 is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.